Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and on your exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and return to center. Come to sit facing the back of your chair, moving into another cat-cow stretch variation. Begin with crisscross arms, clasping the back of your chair for support. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, using the clasp of the chair as added leverage as you send the point between your shoulder blades straight back, feeling a stretch through your arms, chest, shoulders, hips, and spine. Release, moving into a seated twist variation. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders. Engaging through your obliques and deep spinal muscles while creating more core strength and mobility. Pausing at center, moving into a side crunch variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Pausing and upright, maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Adding a mobility movement. Inhale, circle your torso back and open, lifting through your heart, creating a mild back bend. And on your exhale, circle forward and around, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement, creating more mobility and flexibility through your chest, shoulders, and upper back. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Reach your left hand across your body to the right to clasp the back of your chair. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your right arm back and open. rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, using the clasp of the chair as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand across your body to the left, clasping the back of your chair for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and open, allowing this twisting action to create more space and ease through your neck, chest, shoulders, arms, spine, and abdomen. Unwind and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch, place your right forearm to your right thigh. When you're ready, reach your left arm overhead, keeping your top shoulder open to the sky, reaching energetically through your fingertips, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side body all the way down into your left hip. Release, return to upright, and repeat on the opposite side. Keeping your spine long, place your left forearm to your left thigh. Reach your right arm overhead, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to upright. Moving into a lateral neck stretch, sitting tall, reach your arms around behind you to clasp your forearms. Relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Adding on, gently turn your head to the right, drawing your chin in slightly. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck all the way down into your left shoulder. Return to center and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Adding on, gently turn your head to look to the left, drawing your chin in slightly, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck all the way down into your right shoulder. Slowly release, and let's go ahead and turn around to sit forward on our chair once again. Moving into a forward bend variation. Extend both your legs forward, keeping both legs active, flexing through your heels. Begin to alternate, gliding your hands down your legs, folding forward, and lifting your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead into cactus arms. Continue wrapping this revitalizing movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, sweeping your arms overhead into cactus arms, opening through your chest and shoulders. And with each exhale, glide your hands down your legs, keeping your core engaged, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to revitalize and nourish your spine. Unwind and return to center, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, and on your exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.